Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today. In this video, I'll show you how to change the mouse pointer color in Windows 11. Whether you want a brighter look or need better visibility, this quick tutorial will help you customize your experience easily. First, start by right-clicking on the Start icon located at the bottom. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Once the Settings window is open, look for Accessibility in the left-hand sidebar and click on it. Then, scroll down and click on Mouse Pointer and Touch. Now, under Mouse Pointer Style, choose the Custom option, and you'll be able to select any color you like for your mouse pointer. You can pick from the suggested colors or click on Choose another color to create your own. Once you've selected your color, the mouse pointer will instantly update to your new choice. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.